What's up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video right here I'm going to show you how to do your battery cover, and it's really easy. Like I told you, it depends. It's really up to you whether you want to spend $100 on buying one online, or if you decide to do your own. So I just got this metal sheet, you know, from I forgot the name from my hardware store. And I have this piece of rack. It was just a piece of rack, you know, that it was on my jar. So I used that one, you know, to make the cover, the bottom cover, I mean the base for it. I just put this, I put screws like that. See, I drilled the holes, put the screws, and that was my base. Then I just put one of the corners there. Let me just put this in place in 1 second. Okay, as you can see, well, I already did the base, and now what I'm gonna be working now is just to do the little cover so it can look, you know, nice and neat. As you can see, I got my metal sheet, you know, from my hardware store. That one was $12. This piece of rack, you can actually get it from your hardware store too. I don't know what they use this for, but it's for some type of rack, to build a rack. So I hope you're able to find this. Those are the measurements right there. Measurements, that's 10-inch long and 5/1/8. You have, then we're gonna do 2 of 7.5 long by 5 inches 1/8, and that's only for you. So freaks, Audis and Volkswagens, you know that. Let me just cut these pieces, and I'm just gonna show you how to I mean, it's really simple. I'm just kind of just like giving you an idea on how to work on your own things. So let me just go inside, cut those right there. I already cut one piece, so I'm gonna show it to you. So as you can see, I already cut one of the pieces. Like I told, this is 7.5 inch long by 5/1/8 wide. So this is for the size of the battery. This is for the front of the battery, the front part of the battery. That's the long part. So we need 2 of 7.5 and 5/1/8, 7.5 5/1/8, and this is 10-inch long by 5/1/8. So I'm gonna cut these 3 pieces. Like I told, I already have these 4. It's 5 inches by 1/8, and that's how long they are. They're not that long. That's actually the size of the battery. So I think the cover is gonna look nice. So I already cut, you know, all my 3 corners. I'm only gonna use 3 of these, 1 for the front and 2 for the sides. I'm not gonna be using the other one since it's not really gonna be showing. The battery is gonna be covering the back. So that's pretty much my base. Remember, all my 4 corners are 5 inch by 1/8. So I'm gonna start putting my 4 corners. So those, I'm just gonna be using some bolts, just like this one right here, just to hold it in place. That should be enough right there. So I'm gonna do it to all 4 corners, and then I'm just gonna put my aluminum sheets, you know, just to cover it. But I'm going to see if I have to drill them first. And so I gotta see if I have to drill this first. Of course, it's gonna be facing like that. So let me just figure this out, and then I'm just gonna show you. Okay guys, this is what I got so far, you know, from my battery cover. As you can see, it's kind of looking good. I got these little nuts, you know, from Home Depot, and I like them, but you can go your own style. That's the style that I wanted to go with. As you can see, I already have 3 parts, 3 corners of our battery, you know, are good. Now I just gotta install the other one. I only put in the ones on top because once I go there, then these ones are the ones that are gonna go inside of the of my base. So that's how I'm gonna hold the battery, and I believe, you know, it's gonna be fine. I still gotta do 2 more holes here. Let me just show you real quick how to do them. That's how much I got so far right now, guys. Like I told you, it's not gonna be really hard, but okay, let's say for instance you buy your battery cover. Let's say you spend about $110, you know, to buy it. You might as well just buy a drill and a metal cover. I mean a metal cutter, just so you can have your tools, and that way you save some money doing your own stuff. That's what I always do. I always think like that. Like, if the cover is gonna cost me $120, so I might as well, you know, just spend it, you know, on tools that I can use, you know, later in the future if I'm still living. But you know, that's how the cover is looking, guys. I hope, you know, you liking what you see. Pretty much that's the way that it's going to look. I still gotta go for more bolts. I got this, you know, from my hardware store, Home Depot. You just go to Home Depot and get these things. I was like, you know what, I just want this type of nuts, you know, look cool. You know, Frankenstein, you know, had a lot of weird stuff, you know, around his face and body, so it's little Frankie. So let me just put the battery just so you can see, you know, how it's kind of like it's going to look. So that's how the battery cover is going to look, guys. I didn't want it to go all the way up because there is no point for me to do it since these cables are going to be on the way. That wasn't supposed to happen. Like I told you, I still gotta go for 2 more bolts. Just gotta go to Home Depot real quick. But that's pretty much, you know, how it's gonna look. Like I told you, this wasn't supposed to happen, so you didn't see it. I was actually, you know, just gonna finish my video like that. I mean, you have the idea. As long as, you know, you just drill holes and just buy the aluminum sheet. Like I told you, it's like $12, but remember, it has to be a 12-inch by 24. That way it's gonna be enough. But as you can see here, this battery is not going anywhere. I mean, it's gonna move, but this is just like regular movement, so it's gonna be good. Like this one, I just gotta put 2 more bolts. But that's pretty much, you know, how the cover looks. I hope I didn't waste your time, you know, by watching this video. You know, I'm always trying to share, you know, cool stuff, and to be honest, I like it. It's better than just having, you know, just the base and just like 4 little corners. I just have, you know, like 3 of the size, you know, of this battery. I just have the aluminum sheet. So that's pretty much that's really everything for this video, guys. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy it. Keep watching the videos and just let me know, you know, if you have any ideas, you know, for me to make videos on. Just let me know. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. You guys say Squalo's gonna finish a video without finishing the actual part? No, I went to Home Depot real quick and I got the rest of the bolts. Hopefully I was able, you know, to find the same ones, because I really think it's looking pretty cool. As you can see, I finished everything, not just some, the sides, everything, and I even added another one right here just to make it look better. So let me just put the battery and just show you, you know, how when I put the battery, how everything's gonna look. Okay, that's our battery cover, and once you put everything, you know, yes, look, even the car is moving. So yeah, that battery is gonna stay there. It's gonna hold pretty good. Now I'm just gonna find a way, you know, to figure, you know, how to actually, you know, not to make the cables look this messy right here. I found a way. I probably just move the terminal and just send the cable right there, just so my god, what is mine? It's right here. Let me just put this kind of like that, guys. Now I just moved the power cable out of the way, and then I might just, you know, like drill more holes just to make it look neater. But I think right now, you know, it's looking good. It's got my drill in there. I actually like the way, you know, the battery looks. It looks cool. Not too cool, but you know, cool. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please keep following the videos I mean, and I'll see you in the next video.